Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a special guest. It's my cousin. Hey guys. And we're gonna be mixing all these slimes. It's not like slimes, but she bought them. I don't know where. Where did she buy them? Marshalls. She bought them there, and they're like more like foam thingies.
Like they're kind of stretchy, but not that much. Look.
Super satisfying.
But it's more like something so crunchy.
I know. So I'm gonna be mixing these two,
And I'm gonna be mixing these two.
I'm mixing orange and green. Okay, so she's gonna put them in a bag. She's like going to mix them in a bag. And
for just I already mixed them up.
Okay, guys. So
guys,
you guys are going to comment who's the one more satisfying. Like when you like mix it, which one is the most satisfying?
And then also when we finish mixing them, we're gonna add them in this Ziploc bag, and we're gonna mix them all together and become it into a tortilla. Ready?
Yeah.
For the challenge?
Okay.
This is mixing. What is it called? The challenge?
Yeah. Satisfying. Like who does the most satisfying? Mixing. Yeah.
Slime.
So okay, you do first. You do it first.
Okay.
So she's mixing them.
Oh, this feels so weird.
And I'm gonna
Guys, this is so weird.
So this is her part. Okay guys, so now she's gonna do it in ASMR, so let's see it. Sorry for the background, my other cousin, my sister are playing around, so yeah. So that was the ASMR of her. So now I'm gonna do my ASMR. Can you hold it? Okay.
Dame el teléfono blanco de la gorda. Pero tócale la puerta que está ahí.
I'll be mixing it for you.
So yeah, guys, that was their both ASMR,
And guys, we're gonna give you 1 minute, and we'll be right back with you guys in 1 minute when you guys are voting, which commenting
and under
below the
So
section.
please comment which one's the most satisfying.
If you guys want to know my name, if you guys want to type our name in, my name is Valerie. My name is Valerie.
My name is Yaeli.
And yeah, we'll be right back with you guys in a minute.
Well, her name is not Valerie.
Valerie is my real name, did you know?
Well, they call her Lorena. So.
Yeah. But my real name is Valerie.
Yeah. We're gonna try to do something with it. We're gonna add the Tide water.
No.
Yeah, it makes it better.
No. Because my So yeah, we'll be right back with you guys in a minute. If you want to propel or do I?
Okay, we will be right back. Yes. So we're gonna tell you guys right past like 1 minute. 1 minute and a half. So we're gonna tell you guys it smells like gas. First of all.
It does smell like
actually
gas.
does. It does.
So now we're gonna mix them up together.
Yeah.
So
can I mix them first?
yeah, you get half of my ball and I get half of your ball.
Okay. It's because that one really has one. You have more than me.
We're mixing them right up, and then
You
wanna mix them. You're gonna mix them up a little bit, and then you pass it to me.
Yeah. How pretty is this color, guys? I think it's pretty nice. So, well, yours is turning out pretty. Or it's because my other cousin has the other one, and hers is turning out super pretty, guys. I'm sorry about the bad lighting. It's because I'm charging my phone and I'm actually recording it. So yeah.
Oh, this feels weird.
I know, and actually it feels hard, guys, as you can tell. You're still left here.
Oh my god, look at guys, it looks like, what does it look like? Nerds? Mine look like nerds, like really bad like nerds. And then if you want to add, put it on the bag and start making it like a tortilla.
I want to do it first.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get my sister's, what did you add it on it?
Oh, just a little bit more phone beats. The green ones.
Okay, so I'm gonna go get my sister's and when she's doing, she's doing that right now. So yeah. She took it.
Yeah, she took it. Hey guys, I'm alone. This is basically cheese cookies. So basically,
guys, she was like right in the door, and then I wasn't doing nothing. So yeah, now she's gonna add it into the bowl. To the bag.
So as you can see, guys. So you can hear them. It's super hard. Oh, I got an idea. It's my turn. So I'm squishing it.
And then if you want to probably move it like this.
Yeah, you might need a little bit more.
And probably.
No, it's mine. Tortilla.
And if she wants to flip she could flip the, like that, and then she could do that. Ow.
Okay.
My turn to do the tortilla now. That's her. No. If you want to become my sisters, I'm going to become. No, if you want to become.
Yeah, let me show it to her. Look, it's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. That's nasty. So this is the size.
Oh my god, it's just a playground.
So my cousin gave me this piece, and I can do whatever I want. So can I add water? A little bit of water.
If it's your slime, not mine anymore.
So now I'm gonna add water, and she's going to take over my video. So yeah, guys, enjoy her talking.
Yeah, make sure you guys comment down below what mine is the best slime ever that was. It was pink and blue. Pink and purple, and hers was orange and blue. No, orange and green. Please comment down below. Look at my tortilla.
This is hard.
Did it got hard?
It didn't go hard. It's just.
I'm gonna put my nail on it. Oh, Jules. If you guys think it's broken, it's not broken, guys. So I want to get it out. I'm trying. Oh, Jules. It's stuck. Look at my tortilla.
This is satisfying.
It's soft. That dude was long. I like it. It's not bad.
I like mine, bro. Mine, you actually could stretch it. Sorry, guys. It's because maybe we'll do a house tour. Then do house tour.
Yeah, we can make another video of the house tour.
Yeah. So right now we're gonna do a house tour, guys.
So thank you for watching.
Love you guys.
Love you guys. That's what my cousin said.
Like, subscribe, and comment.